First, we're supposed to rewrite this, and then we're supposed to graph it. But we're going to rewrite it using a double angle formula. Now, you wouldn't naturally do this unless you were really familiar with the formulas. You wouldn't naturally just write this as differently using a double angle formula if you didn't know or were familiar with it. So first, let's take out a 2 from both of those. So we get 2 cosine squared x minus 1. Okay, do you guys know of any of the new double angle formulas that equals this inside?
2 cosine x.
Yeah, what? No, close. Yeah. This equals cosine 2x.
This is a video, right?
Yeah. So if I have this, maybe this is easier for you guys to graph. Is that easier for you guys? Is this right here easier for you guys to graph than this?
Yes.
I don't know. He looks a lot prettier, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is a straight up identity right here. 2 cosine squared x minus 1 equals cosine 2x. I much would rather graph this than this.
Me too.
This one has a squared and everything. Boo. Okay, so now we're supposed to graph it. So I don't know if you guys remember. Do you guys remember what that 2 does in the front?
Yes.
It makes your maximum 2 and your minimum negative 2 instead of 1 and negative 1. Do you guys know what this 2 does?
The period pi.
Yeah, it makes a period pi. So if this was my period pi, do you guys know what the other 3 points are that are in between? No, pi over 4, 2 pi over 4, and 3 pi over 4. All right, we good?
Well,
Now this is pi over 2. You guys know, I know. And so now you just have to follow the pattern that you know about cosine. It goes max, midline, min, midline, max. But it says to graph all the way to 2 pi. That's what it says right here. It says from 0 to 2 pi. So I have to do that again. Midline, minimum, midline, max. There you have it. There's your graph. It's so pretty. All done.